Hi, my name is Joel Matthew, UR15CS177. I'm a student of Karne University, and today I'm going to be explaining one of my programs from Java Lab, which is using interfaces. So the question given to me is to create a program which implements a library information system using interfaces. So I have to create an interface called issuable and readable with the functions issue and read book respectively, and then I have to create classes for books that can be issued by the user and reference books and journals which can only be read in the library. I have to also create a class called test, which will allow us to add books and search for books and list the books. So this is the interface issuable and readable, and this is for the books which can be issued. So this implements the interfaces issuable and readable, and we have a attribute called name for the book, and we have the getters and setters, and I have overridden the read book and issue. I have done the same for reference book and journal class as well. And in the test class we have created array of objects for reference book and journal, and inside the main function I have allowed the user the choice to either add search for books, list books, or the book status. And we have accordingly created four functions. So one is add book, so this will be used to add the book into the array. And we have a search book, so this will search for the books inside each of the arrays according to our choice. And we have a list book which will list all the books which are there in the library, and we have status book which will actually give the status of each of the books, whether it is readable or issuable or not, for book, reference book and journal. So let me implement this program and show you the output. So as you can see, we have the choice to either add, search, list, or get the status. So let's add a few books first. So let's add a few more books. Now as you have seen, I have added two books. One is a reference book and one is a book which is issuable. So let's just list the books and see if these have been entered, and as you can see, these books have been entered inside the library information system. So now let's search for one of these books. So let's try search, and let's try reference book Ripley's. So as you can see, this will show that the reference book is available for reading. And let's just try the last function, which is book status. So in this, let's try for journal. So as you can see, a journal can be read inside only in the library, and it cannot be issued from the library. So let's finish the function. So as you can see, this is my program. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for listening to me.